Is it possible to make 7,500 using liquidity sweep combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. Okay, I didn't want to miss this trade. This trade is so unique, guys. Look at that. Look at that liquidity sweep. I had to take multiple trades on that. I was going to take one trade, but due to how good this trade looks, I couldn't take one trade right here, man. Just crazy. Oh, my bad. I'm trying to draw the trend movement for you guys. Yeah, this is it. And the price break right here. So I wait for the price to come back and retest. And we have a beautiful what? Hammer candle right here. Right, and we know that hammer candles are very strong candles, so let's see what's gonna happen for this trade here, guys. It's moving a little bit uncertain. Come on now. This trade looks very beautiful. My entry is okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, nice, beautiful. My entry isn't good right there. I didn't want to miss this trade. You see that inside gap right there, that nice engulfing candle. I'm expecting a strong push though, and if my let me draw the area to show you guys, because some of you might be new to the channel, so I don't want to confuse you. Right here is the area of interest. Okay, now what we do is we're looking for like rally based rallies, and when the price break that, wait for the price to come back here. Okay, so this trade looks like a winning trade, guys. Okay, so I took this one also, guys. This one is very unique, right, based on everything I'm seeing here. Okay, so this one didn't break very properly, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Boom, boom. Let's break right there. All right, then what happened? There was a 2 candle going down, and I took that opportunity. Now, if I had entered right here, my trade would have won. So this was actually not a good trade, to be honest. But let's see the results of this trade, guys, because it started looking very uncertain. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's coming on. Come down. Guys, let me tell you something. Look at this right here. I was just here observing. This trade is so nice. Look at that breakaway gap also. Liquidity sweep is actually the strategy which made me profitable, guys, to be honest. See that price came there, comes down, reject, created a tweezer bottom, and then it continues going higher. This trade is such a good trade. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You see that? Let me draw it to show you guys how you identify the liquidity in the market, and then you look for the break. Price came back down, and then you're expecting to go higher. Okay, that's actually a chart pattern. But let me say something to you guys. I'm being honest. Liquidity sweep, it's much more advanced compared to you can learn it. It's very doable, but you know, yeah. But this was a strategy which made me a profitable trader, guys, honestly. You know what I love about this trade? I'm also with the major trend. Look at this. So even though I'm taking liquidity sweep trades, I'm still in the direction of trend. Okay, and you see this price moving higher, and then the price break right here, and I took the trade right there. Look at how the price moving now. Look at this. Look at that. You see that? As I was saying to you guys, even though I know liquidity sweep is one of the best strategy in the world, right, and it's the strategy which actually made me profitable, I decided to share it with you guys because you guys have been a very loyal supporter, and I really respect that from you guys. So I decided to show you guys one of the ultimate strategy. So I'm actually taking this trade right here. Let's see what's gonna happen for this result. This trade is very unique. You know, right? Let me show you guys again. This game broke it, came back down, expecting the price to at least come and retest these highs, create a higher high. So what I'm saying? So trading is a very interesting thing, you know. It's so interesting, guys, because I believe that once someone really take trading very seriously, and when I say seriously, I'm not talking about just saying I take it seriously, like you really put in the work. Yeah, the opportunity to make money in trading will be endless. But it seems as if this trade is not going to be a good trade. Unfortunately, I had a feeling this trade wasn't that good. Okay, I'm taking this. I think I want to do one more trade on this. This is beautiful. Okay, now I want to show you guys something, and I want to explain another thing to you guys about psychology, discipline, sticking to your strategy and stuff like that. You notice the previous trade was a losing trade, right? But that doesn't mean I'm going to switch my strategy. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't mean it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stick to it. So what I'm saying? Price came back down. I'm expecting to retest the size. Now, why discipline is so important in trading? Many people will have a good strategy, but because they feel like it lose one or two times, they think it's not good and they switch their strategy. I know for a fact liquidity sweep is one of best strategy out there. Like this strategy was a strategy this is my strategy. Okay, let me be honest. I'm taking about 2 trades right here. I see a bigger movement right here. Okay, price break this structure right here, and then I notice this right here. Price broken it, and then it comes back to it. Now it's going down. I'm expecting it to retest this right here. Let's see if my prediction will be correct or not. Let me try it accurate to show you guys. I think the price is going to retest right here before it comes back. Okay, so this trade is pretty much a very confident trade. Let's see if my prediction is correct, guys. Sometimes you need to know like the direction of the market, okay, like where the market is trying to go. Right here was a broken area. Price broke here, came back here, and I wait for opportunity. See that price is trying to retest the lows. Okay, yeah, this is pretty much a rejection market. There is just so much rejections. But I still took this trade because, hold on, let me see what this trade is saying. Yeah, just put this over here. Anyway, as I was saying to you guys, I saw that this was the liquidity area. Okay, price came, created even the opposite trend and break it, right? And then the price came, retested it, going lower. Plus we are in the trend direction, so therefore this trade is pretty much a confident trade, even though the liquidity, even though there's a lot of rejection, there's liquidity